Did you know missing rental property taxes in another state can cost you thousands in fines? Even if you live in Texas or Florida with no income tax, rental income elsewhere triggers state taxes. Today, we answer, do you have to file taxes in the state where your rental property is located? If you own rental property in another state, you almost always must file a non-resident tax return there. Rental income is source-based, taxed where the property sits, regardless of your home state. Most states offer a credit on your home state return to avoid double taxation on rental income. For example, Texas residents renting in California must file California non-resident returns and pay CA tax. Now, what happens if you don't file? Let's explore penalties in 5 states: California, New York, Illinois, Washington, and Texas. California charges 5% per month late filing penalty, capped at 25%, plus 0.5% monthly late payment fees. Even small balances owe $135 minimum or 100% of tax due. Fraud penalties can be much higher. New York's late filing penalty is 5% per month, max 25%, with an extra 10% penalty if underreporting exceeds $2,000. Fraud in New York can double your tax owed, making penalties severe. Illinois penalties start at $250 or 2% of tax due, stacking up to $5,000 if unfiled after 30 days. Late payments in Illinois can add 2% to 10%, with fraud penalties at 50% of tax owed. Washington has no income tax but charges 9% to 29% penalties on business and excise taxes if late. Texas also lacks income tax but applies 5% to 10% penalties on franchise or business taxes for late filings. Skipping your non-resident filing can lead to back taxes, interest, and penalties reaching thousands of dollars. Fortunately, many states allow late or amended filings that can reduce penalties if done promptly. Remember, owning rental property across states means filing taxes where your property is located. Missing these filings triggers costly penalties that can grow quickly over time. Here is a summary of anticipated penalties as per current rates and rules. Stay informed about your tax obligations to protect your rental income and avoid surprises.